Lua House by Arquitetura Nacional in XANGRI-LÁ, Brazil. Located on the shores of a lake, in a gated community on the coast of Rio Grande do Sul, Casa Lua emerged from the proposal of having a comfortable vacation home all year round. A place where the whole family, grandparents, children, and grandchildren, could enjoy the summer intensely, but also the other seasons of the year. Volumetrically, the house is divided into 2 floors. The ground floor, with a square plan of 20 x 20 m, has a structure composed of a glued laminated wood beam grid, whose modulation also organizes all the compartmentalization of the internal spaces. Contained on this ground floor is the service volume, an independent, lower block, creating a negative in relation to the main grid, which projects freely over it. The second floor, with private uses, is smaller and set back, forming a balcony overlooking the lake. Privacy was a major concern of the project. Therefore, the house has its social areas and swimming pool facing the back of the plot, next to the condominium lake. The large glass openings directly exposed on this facade have leaves that accumulate at the ends, allowing for a more direct connection with the balcony and gardens. Externally, the house is entirely monochromatic, which brings an ethereal sensation that contrasts with the variety of colors and materials in the surroundings. Its surfaces are covered with a white metallic coating that is sometimes opaque, in the closures, and sometimes perforated, in the openings that require privacy control. The central core is illuminated by a large skylight. This core is completely surrounded by translucent glass panels so that this light also permeates the peripheral spaces. In the interiors, the wooden grid of the ceiling is the protagonist. All fixed compositional elements of the layout, walls, cabinets, and lighting, are aligned with it. It was important to leave this exposed wooden beam structure in the internal spaces, with white ceiling closures only in the gaps between them. They are even visible in the central zenithal opening. The decision was made to embed the air conditioning in the joinery and walls, leaving the ceiling structure as intact as possible. In contrast, at the floor level, the choice of irregular stone allows for freestanding furniture. The colors are soft and the surfaces are rich in textures, reflecting the external sensation of the house, lightness and fluidity, inviting this family to rest and happy moments of leisure.